Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm just going to be giving you a general overview of what a document looks like inside Onshape. I'm going to have plenty more tutorials going over specific tools and also explaining how to make a document and a bunch more. But this is just a good way to get just a quick peek at some opportunities or some, things we can do inside, right? So when you open a document, you're going to have something that looks like this. And these are three panes. Or planes, right? And they're going to be the three planes for an orthographic view. You have the top view, the front view, and the right side view. You also have this dot here, which is the origin, which is like 0, 0 on a coordinate grid. Over here, I can select a plane, or I could turn a plane on or off, and kind of hide them from you, whatever you may need to do at that moment. Over here, it's kind of like to keep you, in line to figure out where your orientation you're working from, right? So I certainly could click on the right view, or I could use some arrow keys to rotate it. So now I'm at the front, I'm at the left, back. I can go rotate it this way, which we'll see the bottom. I could rotate it this way, you'll see the top. I could also rotate it in that axis as well. But let's just say you're completely stuck, right? You have no idea what you're looking at. Well, you can use your mouse, scroll wheel, and then kind of like a tool to help us out. So if you use your scroll wheel, I could zoom in, zooms out, zooms out. I could click and hold the scroll wheel, and then I can kind of like drag things around just to kind of scroll through, make a certain area or move some pieces around to make your life a little bit easier. I also, if I'm completely lost, I have no idea what the heck's going on, I can hit this button right here, camera and render options, and I can choose isometric, dimetric, or trimetric, which trimetric is actually my favorite. It makes it very easy to see what I'm working on. Down below, I have different tabs, right? I have Part Studio 1 and Assembly 1. These are the basic, what you get when you create a new document. So Part Studios are going to be whatever part you're creating in, and then Assembly as well, an Assembly view where we can add a bunch of parts together to create a larger object. Along the top, we have a ton of tools, and all of these tools here are really for changing things in the 3D world. But in order to be able to utilize some of those, we have to then create a sketch first, and there's a ton more tools in there. But before we get into that, I just wanted to show you where a bunch of stuff is to get us prepped for upcoming. All right? See you guys in the next video.